Hi everyone, it's Miss Caitlin coming back to you guys again with another cooking video. Shocker. Today we're going to be making a smoothie, and I'm actually going to be using the same smoothie that you guys probably see me at school with. It's green, but that's because there's spinach in it. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wash our hands. So let's get started. For 20 seconds. All right, our hands are dry and we're ready to get cooking. So just so you guys know, this is just the recipe that I use, but you know, if you want to add like berries or protein powder or something different like a banana with chocolate and peanut butter and almond milk, like great. Go ahead and do that. This is totally up to you. I'm just doing what I usually do. So, but make it fun. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to gather our materials. And so we have a cup right here and our blender. So if you don't have a cup that's like attached to the blender like I do, go ahead and get a cup or a glass to pour your smoothie in. And then for our ingredients, we're going to need almond milk. Yeah. And we got some flaxseed and some Greek yogurt, coconut flavored, a banana, some fresh spinach that I froze to make the smoothie green, and some frozen mango. All right, let's get cooking. Okay, so we have our bowl, our cup, excuse me. First thing that I do is I'm gonna go ahead and add the frozen fruit. A little more. There we go. All right, and then I'm gonna peel the banana. All right, mango, banana. Next I add the flaxseed. Let's see if I can show you guys. Yeah, no, that's what they look like. They're like chia seeds. Sprinkle those in. And then I'm gonna add the spinach. So I just take a big handful and then I just press it down to make sure that I have room for my other ingredients that I'm gonna add. I think I want a little more. Again, you can add as much or as little as you want of each ingredient. It depends on what you like. Then I'm gonna add the Greek yogurt. I have a spoon here to dish it out. If you need a spoon for any of your ingredients, you can go ahead and get that. Put that in the sink. And last comes our almond milk. Open that up. Again, you just want to make sure that you put enough milk in the blender for it to blend, because sometimes it'll get stuck. Like the banana ice cream. I think that's good, actually. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up. And this is for an adult. You're gonna go ahead and take your extension of the blender and you're gonna go ahead and plug it in. All right. Trying to bring this as close as I can to you guys. All right, here we go. It's gonna make some noise, sorry. And this is what it looks like. Looks green. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the blender. So that's it. I have a smoothie and I'm gonna be drinking this for breakfast. You can have a smoothie whenever you want. If you want it for a snack, if you want it for lunch or dinner, or maybe even a midnight snack. I don't know. Depends on you. So now that my smoothie is done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my materials, put everything back in the cabinets and the fridge, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash the blender, the blade part, and rinse out the yogurt cup. Yeah, you're gonna go ahead and clean up and enjoy your smoothie. If you go ahead and, if you want, you can go ahead and give this video a like or a thumbs up. And there will also be a link in the video description down below for a visual recipe. And if you want, you can send me a picture of, or like message me of what your, by message I mean email, of what your smoothie looks like. And yeah, that's it. That is all. I will see you guys next time. Bye.